me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby, ain't the same when I'm on my own.
We are outside na guys, and pakita ko sa inyo yung mga restaurants na pwede nyo ma-visit dito sa Calle Real bago tayo mag-late lunch. So you have Poco Deli, tapos Epic Coffee. Yung Epic Coffee, they have the best coffee. Tapos yan, Get Real. Yan, Get Real din, super sarap din dyan. And then Panda Don is a Japanese restaurant, pero tara, puntahan pa natin. It's called Izakai Koron. It's a Japanese restaurant. Yan. Tapos, ito naman, Bulaluhan. Then, after that, yan dito, sa Bambar. Actually, dyan sa Bambar kami nagiinom lagi. Ito, Santino's Rib Shack. Masarap din dito. Then, the Brew House. So, ayun, ilan lang yun guys. And dito din pala yung Follow Your Taste. Dito yung may masarap na yogurt. Yan.
Pero si Lumbining hindi niya alam.
Later na tayo dyan. Mag-lunch muna tayo. Ayun guys, so we're walking to Luwalhati Park. And I wanna show it to you first bago tayo mag-lunch. Kasi it's so beautiful din doon guys. Although hindi ganun kaganda yung weather ngayon, I just wanna show you na easily accessible lang siya from where we stay. Can you see that guys? Sobrang ganda ng mga mountains dito. Especially dito sa part na to. Pag nakapunta tayo ng Mount Tapias, pakita ko siya sa inyo ng mas magandang view. Medyo makulimlim lang ngayon kasi umulan nga. Or uulan pa lang. And then we have here yung I Am Corona sign. Doon yung Mount Tapias guys. Masaya siyang akyatin. Medyo mahirap pero masaya. Tapos yan. Ito yung mga pwede nyong gawin dito sa Luwalhati Park. Magtusok-tusok, ganyan. Mostly sightseeing guys. Tapos yan, pwede kayo magpa-picture dito sa I Am Coron na malaking sign. So let's have turo-turo here. Ganda kasi background may Mount Tapias. So I got kwek-kwek, tapos chicken skin, and then squid balls. Isa sa favorite kong street food na Pinoy talaga is tokmenen. Although makolesterol daw to. But yeah. If you're a foreigner and if you're watching this, please try kwek-kwek, squid balls, and chicken skin. They're all good. Healthy hindi masyado, but they're all good. Crunchy much. Sarap. Ang maganda pa dito, magkano nila binibenta sa locals, ganun lang talaga yung presyo niya, walang tourist price. Mambo, naubusin ko na lang to and then balikan ko kayo mamaya. Magla-lunch pa tayo. Appetizer lang natin to. Let's go! Makinit Hot Spring. We have arrived after around 50 minutes tricycle ride. Nag-commission lang tayo ng tricycle driver, si Kuya, to bring us here. It's 500 pesos, balikan na yon. And ang entrance dito is 250 pesos. I'm really excited na bumabad sa mainit na tubig. So, tara! So they are open 8 a.m. They will accept people until 7 p.m. and they will close at 8 p.m. Then, ito yung prices nila. 300 pesos pala per packs. So, tara! Meron palang mga monkeys din dito. Sabi dito sa guidelines, wag daw silang i-feed para hindi masanay. So dito daw nanggagaling mismo yung mainit na water. Kaya ito yung pinakamainit na part. So kailangan mong masanay muna dito. Actually nung unang lublob ko talaga, super init. Bago tayo lumublob guys, tingnan muna natin itong mga mangroves dito habang maliwanag pa kasi mamaya hindi na natin siya masyadong ma-appreciate. Welcome to Makinit Hot Spring guys. Kaya makinit yung name ng hot spring kasi mainit siya. That means mainit. And ang entrance pala dito guys is updated na. It's already 300 pesos and that's worth it I think kasi super sarap dito, I'm sure. Hindi pa tayo nagbababad pero na-experience na natin siya before and yun, super sarap. And some says na healing nga siya and if you don't notice it yet, I'm not feeling my best today kaya baka ito yung maka-help sa atin. So yeah, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung itsura ng kung asan tayo ngayon. Nandito tayo sa mangrove part kung saan pwede kayo mag-picture-picture. Tapos, dun sa part na yun naman, dun yung paliguan. Pero ayun guys, oh, sobrang ganda. So, yun. Tara, puntan tayo dun. Let's go! It's really so nice guys. Tapos, andun mismo yung hot spring. We're going down. Gosh, ang init. Alam niyo yung parang bagong kulo na water. Lesser degree than that. Yung feeling na gusto mo nang umahon agad. Pero you have to stay there kasi you have to stay here kasi para masana yung body mo. Nakalublob na tayo guys. Half of my body is nakalublob na. Hindi ko lang ma-full body kasi hawak natin yung camera and we also have a mic here kaya hindi natin pwedeng mabasa. But as soon as may balik ko kayo doon, lulublob tayo. It feels so good guys, especially pag feeling mo may sakit ka. Pagpapawisan ka ng sobra. Hi guys, umahon na tayo from level 1 ng Makinit Hot Spring. The experience was so great. I know na-experience ko na siya before pero ngayon, feeling ko easy na lang siya sa akin kasi expected ko na ganun kainit. And I hope you guys will find time na mag-visit dito sa Makinit Hot Spring. And I challenge you na i-try yung mga hot springs nila. Pero for now, pupunta tayo sa max level kung saan talaga nanggagaling yung hot spring and I'll let you know kung survive ko ba siya. So let's go! So yan yung max level. Diyan nanggagaling yung spring. Tapos dinadala niya dun sa mga pools na yun. Guys, we are here sa max level. Dito daw yung dulas. Dito daw yung mas mainit nila. And although sanay na ako sa init, hindi ako sanay sa dulas. Guys, we are here sa max level. Dito daw nanggagaling mismo yung hot spring. So super init niya. But since nanggaling tayo dun sa baba, feels like another level lang. Hindi naman siya yung nakakagulat. And guys, umuusok pa nga siya. Ang challenging lang dito sa part na to though is nakasalamin ako, so nagpo-fog siya since init-lamig na siya. The feeling is you know when you achieve something, parang may na-overcome ka na something, ganun yung feeling niya. And when you're done, may mga showers na available and yun, may mga pahingahan. The experience so far was great and I will do it again for sure. Pero for now, aahon na tayo kasi our body is not used to that kind of heat ng ganun katagal. And I recommend na pag hot spring kayo, hindi ganun katagal kasi may implications yun sa health nyo. So magbabanlaw na tayo and then we'll get back to our hotel room and then magdi-dinner lunch tayo kasi hindi pa talaga tayo nagla-lunch. So I'll see you guys later. They have dressing rooms guys na mga ganito. Huwag nyo palang kalimutan na magbaon ng towel of course and yung pamalit nyo. Kasi of course magsiswim kayo and parang nag-swimming lang kayo ganun. We are done dipping sa hot spring guys. It's such a great experience and if I can describe it in few words, number 1, it's great of course. Number 2, it's rejuvenating. And number 3, it's healing for me. I'm not sure if there's like a physical health attributes na nag-heal sa atin, but mentally I feel like I'm healed, you know. And ayun guys, if you have time and if you're in Coron, please do not miss Makinit Hot Spring. And if I may compare pala this one, what I did to the tour is mag-tour na lang kayo guys kasi ang tour is usually 700 to 800 pesos. And Coron Town tour na yon, may Makinit Hot Spring, may Mount Tapias, tapos naka-van pa kayo. Ang ginawa ko kasi is tricycle, diba? Tapos 500 pesos balikan, tapos 300 pesos na entrance fee dito. So 800 na agad yon. Makinit Hot Spring pa lang. It's because naman kasi I wanted Makinit Hot Spring lang and not the other tourist spots. But if you want to enjoy your Coron Town tour, mag-book na lang kayo ng tour and don't do DIY na Makinit Hot Spring. Hi guys, you are here in our hotel room already. Actually, we've been here for quite a while now. Nag-prep lang ako para makapag-dinner na tayo sa labas and sobrang vibrant ng Coron at night. Especially on this area, papakita ko siya sa inyo. Kaya tara, let's go! We are going out guys. Papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ka-vibrant ang kalye na to at night. Especially yung part na doon. So, I'll show it to you. So, ito yung hotel natin. Tapos, and they have their own, of course, restaurant. Tapos, may chill bar din. So, nice. Tambay tayo dyan one time. So, yan. Ito yung mga pwede nyo makainan. Then, ang nice ng park na to kasi ang daming lantern lights. Looks so really good. Pagtapat lang ng fire station is yung mga kainan na. I'll show you. Yan. Ang favorite natin dito before is Buzz. Diyan tayo lagi tumatambay dati. Try pa rin natin kumain. Check natin if nandun pa yung mga favorite kong bartenders. So ito guys, yung highway area and nakikita nyo may BPI dyan. So easy lang kapag mag-withdraw kayo. And then further down is yung St. Augustine Church. And then here, Pacifico na pala yung name niya. Dati Buzz din to eh. For our first meal here in Coron Island, we are back at my favorite Italian restaurant. It's called Trattoria Altrove. And Meron silang pizzahan dito. And then, yung pinaka main restaurants nila where you can order pasta and other dishes is nandito. So, akyat tayo doon. Let's go! We are now inside, so before we eat, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung menu nila. So yan, ito yung mga pizza nila. Actually, yung pizza nila is talaga pinakamasarap dito. And then, mga starters. And then you can also create your own pizza. Tapos, yan, pasta. And yan. Tapos drinks, then may coffee din sila, and that's it. Our food is here, so what I got is pollo con crema de tartufo. This is their version of truffle pasta in chicken breast. And I also got mango shake for 150 pesos. Guys, you have to be mindful pala about their service water. They don't have it, so you just have to order any of their drinks or a liter of water. So tara guys, kain tayo kasi naamoy ko siya and super bango niya. So let's eat guys. I hope you can still hear me. Super bango niya guys talaga. And for 580 pesos, I think super sulit na nito. First bite. Ito yung lasa ng truffle na hinahanap ko nung kumain tayo sa Siargao, sa Lamari. Ito yun. Yung lasa na nakakahay, ito yun. This is so good guys. And meron pa siyang chicken breast as the meat. Super sarap na guys. And yung chicken breast, diba walang lasa yon. So very flavorful yung sauce, and when you bite yung chicken breast, parang siyang alam mo yung kanin. Diba yung kanin, it balances yung ulam. Parang ganun yung chicken breast sa kanya. This is so good guys. I really like it. Natatawa ako kanina guys kasi dito sa Altrove, sa Trattoria Altrove, before noong 2019 yung huli natin punta, is hinuhubad yung shoes mo pagpapasok ka. So i-remove ko na dapat yung tsinelas ko until they mention na hindi na daw uso ngayon yung barefoot dito. Share ko lang, funny story. Last piece. We are done eating here in Trattoria Altrove. Super nag-enjoy ako sa food. The truffle pasta is a must-have. Yung mango shake is also good. It's the usual mango shake na na-order nyo na fresh. And if I can recommend, I would say na ang orderin nyo dito is yung truffle pasta and yung pizza nila. The reason why I did not order pizza kasi it's so big. Kailangan ng orderin mo isang buo talaga. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-order ng slice or maliit na size lang. So hindi ako naka-order kasi mas sayang lang. But Anyhow, super sarap ng food nila and ang ganda talaga ng ambience dito. This is my favorite restaurant here in Coron, so I hope you can visit someday too. For our next stop guys, magpapatattoo na agad tayo kahit first night pa lang natin, and we're gonna do it here kila Kuya Jason kasi they gave you a discount. I will get a tattoo for only 1,200 and mas malaki siya. So tara, pasok tayo. Alright, second tattoo, let's go. Our tattoo is done. This is the sun that represents the beautiful sunset of Coron and the sea, done by Kuya Jerome. Thanks, Kuya. Here's our new tattoo. First day pa lang nagpatattoo na talaga. Okay lang naman daw kasi tatak pa naman ang film.
Hello guys! So we're here at Coron, Palawan. Sir Henry, he came by to have a minimal tattoo from Homegrown Tattoo Studio, Coron, Palawan. So hopefully guys, when you visit Coron and gusto nyo ng remembrance, something memorable from Coron, punta lang po kayo dito sa studio namin. And we've got a lot of artists na talagang magagaling. Thank you!
We are done na magpa-tattoo and right now, punta tayo sa hotel na actually because we don't have plans of night out tonight because tomorrow will be our island escapade day. So, 8 AM lang naman yun. Pero, let's see. Tingnan natin kung ano mapupuntahan natin tonight. Let's go! That's it for our day 1 here in Coron, Palawan guys. I hope you learned something from it, and as usual, let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll see you guys tomorrow for our island escapade tour. Good night!